Yeah, no problem. See, this is not December. I will let your eye shine. We will collect money for all these people for here. Shark side. Go. Go. Check them. Yeah, bye. Go. Hey, when you come that time, what's up now? You don't hear the talk. Get them, my friend. I'm talking to you. This is the office of the law. What do you mean? What's inside your pocket?
What's inside my pocket? Like
I'm searching you. What's inside your pocket? Hey, you know what? Yeah, you need to do fraud jump. Do fraud jump. Do fraud jump, my friend. Hey, Okara, you go. Hey, wait. Hey, you do fraud jump. Do fraud jump.
You do the first step, man.
Make you do fraud jump.
Yes.
I should show you example.
I can't show you example.
I don't understand. I should show you example. Okay, yeah. See. This is how to do it. Proper. Like this. Can you see it now?
I do fraud job. I do fraud job. I do fraud job.
My salary is 50,000. Let me go work.
50,000. You should get more money.
Okay, let me go
Anyhow,
work.
you want to get
No problem. Let me go and work now. Let me go. I'll make.
Awilo, better